Hi, my name is Peter Tabling and I'm an industrial designer here at Tennant Company. What I want to talk today about is ProPanel. Now, it's not just a shiny screen, it's not just technology for technology's sake. It was designed to help you have a more consistent cleaning experience. What I'm going to show you is setting up a zone setting. First, I'll log in with my passcode. You'll log in with whatever passcode you have. Next, I'm going to set a zone setting. You'll notice that I've already set up a few of these, and that with each different zone setting, you'll see that the water, down pressure, and speed adjust. To make a new zone setting, press the number that you'd like to set it at, and adjust your down pressure, your water flow, and your speed. In this instance, I'm going to set all of them to the lowest possible. Press and hold, just like setting a preset on your radio. If you'd like to name the preset, say yes. In this instance, we'll name it low, and press next. You can see that the name has popped up and it's associated with the number 1. Now every time you want your operator to use that certain zone setting, just say press number 1 or press low.